Hello everyone, I am Dr. Disha Sonarkan Owan. I am consultant at Marvel Skin Hair and Laser Clinic at Latur, Maharashtra. So today I am going to talk about a commonest topic, that is acne or pimples. Acne or pimples, they are seen at the age between 11 to 25 years due to hormonal changes. There are oil secreting glands or sebum secreting glands called as sebaceous glands, which are predominantly present on the face. Hence we see acne more on face. They can also be seen over the back, chest and shoulders. Under the influence of hormones called as androgens, there is increase in the sebum secretion of the sebaceous glands. This leads to colonization of the ducts of sebaceous glands. So this is the sebaceous gland. Colonization of the duct of sebaceous glands with bacteria called as the called as Propionibacterium acnes, and then it leads to inflammation of the gland. These are then called as the acne. The acne, there are different morphological variants of acne, and there are different grades of acne, starting from the whiteheads, blackheads, commonly called as whiteheads and blackheads. So whiteheads are the closed ones and blackheads are the open ones. So these is a healthy sebaceous gland, and these are the whiteheads, these are the blackheads, this is the open comedon, this is the closed comedon. Then some elevated region, this is called as the papules. Then if it becomes pustule, it is called as the pustule. Then there are the nodules, and the last one is the cystic or the nodulocystic acne, which is the grade 5 acne. So these are a major concern because they leave a scar. The acne will come and they will go, but once the scar is formed, they will remain for life. Hence, we have to take promptly treatment of this acne. So this is how there is formation of the due to inflammation produced by the Propionibacterium acnes bacteria and enlargement of the sebaceous gland. This is how formation of papule, pustule, and then the nodulocystic acne takes place. Now, what are the causes? First is the metabolic syndrome and PCOD, that is the polycystic ovarian disease. What happens in this polycystic ovarian disease, the metabolic syndrome, is that there is weight gain and irregularity in menstrual cycle. Also, other complaints of the patient are thinning of hair as well as the formation of dandruff over the scalp. So all this leads to formation of under the hormonal influence, formation of acne. There is also a variant of lean PCOD in which, though there is weight is less, but still there is hormonal imbalance. Now, what is adult acne? Even after the age of 25, if the acne appears, then it is called as the adult acne, and this is mainly due to lifestyle changes, improper food habits and sedentary lifestyle, as well as wrong food habits. So what we should do, we should have proper diet, that is well balanced diet. We should increase intake of vegetables, fruits, sprouts and salads, and we should decrease intake of the sugary food, chocolates, chips, carbohydrates. We should and the cold drinks, all this we should reduce intake of all these foods. There is one type of acne known as acne excoriae, which is mainly formed when the patient has habit of picking up his acne, and that's why the acne get worsen. This is known as the acne excoriae. Another variant of acne, that is the formed due to the different use of creams and cosmetics. Some creams containing steroid, they initially the patient feels nice and the acne, they feel that acne is getting healing, but then the skin is damaged and that leads to appearance of more and more acne, that is due to the application of steroid. Now, what are the do's and don'ts for acne? We should wash our face twice a day. Before sleeping, we should remove makeup thoroughly. We should have adequate sleep, proper exercise. The children should be promoted. They should be asked to play outdoor games. Adolescents as well as adults, they are advised to have daily exercise in, if possible, in open air. Now, what are the treatment? The for dandruff or the scalp, you should consult your dermatologist. He will give medicines and shampoos. We should never squeeze the acne or pop up the acne, because this will lead to the deeper injury and formation of deeper scar. In addition to oral medication as well as local application of some creams, there are some treatment available for acne. First is the chemical peeling. Chemical peeling means the application of some chemical agent to the skin and the other areas which has to be treated. After application of this agent, it is in desired concentration, so it reaches that desired level of the skin, penetrates that level, and it causes the skin to remodeling of the skin at that level. It causes injury at that level and the remodeling of skin at that level. After there is some after a gap of some time, then the skin starts healing. After say 5 to 6 days, then we can see that superficial layer of or the dead layer of the skin is peeled off, and we can see the glow in the skin as well as the acne, as well as the acne, the PIH or the dark spots formed due to it are decreased. The second treatment is the lasers. Now there is a term known as downtime, means the time taken by the skin to heal after a procedure. So there are a lot of people have myths that due to the procedures such as chemical peeling and lasers, the skin gets damaged, but this is not true. Only the downtime required is there, that is after the procedure immediately the skin takes time for healing, but after that downtime is over, we get the results. So the lasers are CO2 laser, FRF, that is fractional radio frequency. This the role of the laser is that it also causes the injury of the skin at that particular level, and then it will lead to remodeling of the skin. This will help in making the skin tone even, as well as the acne scars, they will heal, they will be decreased, and it will rejuvenate the skin. So there is no side effect of all these procedures. They are very helpful for getting a bright and healthier skin. So all these options are available at Marvel Skin Hair and Laser Center. For more videos from our side, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.